Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're a cricket enthusiast looking to keep up with live scores and updates, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best live cricket apps available for Android that will keep you connected to all the action on the field. Let's explore how these apps can enhance your cricket following experience. Cricbuzz Live Cricket Scores. Cricbuzz is one of the most popular cricket apps, offering comprehensive coverage of live cricket scores, match commentary, and news updates. Users can stay updated with real-time scores for various international and domestic matches, including T20s, ODIs, and Test cricket. The app features detailed statistics, player profiles, and match schedules, making it an invaluable resource for cricket fans. With its user-friendly interface and notifications for important match events, Cricbuzz ensures that users never miss a critical moment of the game. Whether you're looking for live scores or expert analysis, Cricbuzz is an excellent choice for cricket enthusiasts. Cricket Mazza 11 Live Line. Cricket Mazza 11 Live Line is an engaging app designed for cricket fans who want instant updates on live matches and statistics. The app provides live scores, ball-by-ball commentary, and detailed performance analyses, keeping users informed throughout every game. In addition to live alerts, Cricket Mazza 11 offers information on upcoming fixtures, team rankings, and player statistics. The app's intuitive design allows for easy navigation, making it simple to access the information you need quickly. For users who are passionate about cricket and seek a dynamic way to follow matches, Cricket Mazza 11 is a fantastic option. CREX Just Cricket. CREX Just Cricket is a dedicated app focused on delivering live cricket scores, news, and analysis to fans worldwide. The app offers a minimalistic design that emphasizes fast performance and easy navigation. Users can track live scores across various formats, including international and domestic matches, with real-time updates and notifications. CREX provides in-depth stats, including player performance and match history, giving users detailed insights into every game. The app also features trending cricket news and articles, ensuring fans stay connected to the latest happenings in the cricketing world. CREX is perfect for users looking for a straightforward yet comprehensive cricket experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the top live cricket apps helps you find the perfect tool to stay updated with your favorite matches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sports app recommendations and insights. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.